Last period we learned about to solve the simultaneous equation by the method of elimination. Now today this equation we learn about this equation is solved by the graphical method. It has the 4 steps for solving this equation by graphical method. First step is to prepare the table of coordination of variables of both equation. Second step is that to plot the graph of each equation on graph paper. Third is that to find the coordination of intersecting point of two graph lines. Now let us see the example of simultaneous equation. Suppose x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 4 is the second equation. The first equation is that x plus y is equal to 6 and second is that x minus y is equal to 4. How to find out the coordination of x and y of both equation? That's very important. To taking the appropriate small value of any one variable and then we detect the value of coordinate of another variables. Suppose in first equation x plus y is equal to 6. To prepare the coordination table of the first equation here, x coordinate, y coordinate, x and y. In first equation, suppose we take the value of appropriate small value of x variable, suppose that is 0. Ultimately then we detect the value of y is equal to 6. So the coordinate of first pair of the coordinate is 0 and 6. First pair of coordinate is 0 and 6. Suppose then find out the next pair. We take the value of x is suppose 3. Put this value in equation first. 3 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 3. Ultimately therefore y is equal to 3. So the second pair of coordinate is 3 and 3. Means x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is also 3. Now find out the third pair of coordinate. We take the value of x is suppose 4. Put the value of x in equation first. 4 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 minus 4. Therefore y is equal to 2. So finally we get the third pair of the coordinate is 4 and 2. Similarly, we find the coordinate of the second equation. The second equation is that x minus y is equal to 4. We take the appropriate small value of any one variable. Suppose we take the appropriate value of x. Suppose take the value of 2 in equation second. Value of x is 2 in equation second. 2 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to 4 minus 2. Minus y is equal to 2. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. So here 2 minus 2 means 2 minus 2 are the first pair of the coordinate. Now find out the second pair of coordinate. Also take the appropriate small value of the x variable here. Suppose that is 3. Put the value of x 3 in equation second. 3 minus y is equal to 4. Therefore minus y is equal to 4 minus 3. Therefore minus y is equal to 1 and this minus y is equal to 1 is divided by the symbol of minus y. Ultimately we get the y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 means 3 and minus 1 are the pair of the second coordinate. Then find out the pair of third coordinate. Take the value of x is 3. suppose value of x is 0, therefore 0 minus y is equal to 4, therefore y is equal to minus 4. 0 and minus 4 are the pair of the coordinate of x and y. Now finally we prepare the table of the coordinate of the variables of both equation. Now plot the each pair of the variable, each pair of the coordinate of the variable on the graph paper. This is the graph paper. Okay, just we draw the x and y axis, and also took the scale here on both axes. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now let us see to plot the first graph of the first equation with the help of the coordinate. The first pair of coordinate is 0 and 6. Here 0 is the x coordinate and 6 is the y coordinate. So 0 is the x coordinate and 6 is the y coordinate. That's why this point is located on the y axis. On the y axis. Here 6, 0 and 6. Here coordinate of x is 0 and coordinate of y is 6. Then second pair of the coordinate is 3, 3. Both coordinates are positive. X coordinate is also positive 3, y coordinate is also positive 3. So the positive, positive. So both are positive. That's why this point is located in the first quadrant here. X coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 3 here. 3 and 3 here. Okay. So here 3 and 3. Then next pair of the coordinate is 4, 2. Both are also positive coordinate. That's why it is also located in the first quadrant, no doubt. The x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 2. So here x coordinate is 4 and y is 2 here. So this point is here. All these 3 points are linear, and draw the line through these 3 points with the help of ruler. This is the graph line of the first equation. The x plus y is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. Must be mentioned the equation along with this line. X plus y is equal to 6. Now let us plot the second equation, second graph of the equation second. Here in second equation, the first pair of the coordinate is 2 minus 2. Means first x coordinate is positive 2 and y coordinate is negative 2. So the positive and negative. So this point is located in fourth quadrant ultimately. 2 minus 2. Here 2, x is the positive 2 is the x coordinate and negative 2 is the y coordinate. The point is here 2 minus 2. Then next pair is the 3 minus 1. So it is also 3 minus 1. It is also located in fourth quadrant here. 3 minus 1. And third pair is 0 minus 4. Here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is negative 4. So x coordinate is 0 here and y coordinate is a negative 4. So that's why here this point is on y axis below the origin. All these 3 points are linear and these 3 points are joined with the help of the ruler, and finally we get the equation, the line of the second equation. The second equation is that x minus y is equal to 4 must be mentioned along this second graph. X minus y is equal to 4. Here we get the intersecting point here. The coordinate of intersecting point indicates the solution of given simultaneous equation. The coordinate of the intersecting point is here. This is the intersecting point. Suppose that is the point A is the intersecting point. Here, intersecting point is the x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 1. So the coordinate of intersecting point is 5 and 1. 5 is the x coordinate and 1 is the y coordinate. That's why the solution of given simultaneous equation is 5 and 1. Therefore, the solution of given simultaneous equation is 5 and 1. Now we verify this x and y, value of x and y, in putting given any one equation. Suppose the value of x is 5 and value of y is 1. Put this value in equation first. The value of x is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. That's why hence LHS is equal to RHS. So it has been verified or it has been satisfied by putting the value of 5 and 1. Then also put this value in as well as in second equation. The value of x is 5 and value of y is 1. 5 minus 1 is also 4. Here LHS is equal to RHS. That's why the 5 and 1 both values are solution of the given equation, and this value when put in both equation, then this equation has been satisfied by this both values.